月月月月くゆみ月月 This kanji mean man or moon. When we talk about the man and moon, we will use this kanji to represent. Senketsu. Senketsu. Senketsu is mean last month. The first kanji sen is mean in the past. So when we put the kanji of the past with the kanji of getsu, getsu is mean month. So when we put the kanji that mean in the past and the kanji of the month, so we can say like last month, and we say in Japanese like senketsu. Senketsu is mean last month. For example, you can create a sentence like 先月は何をしましたか？先月は何をしましたか？ Which means, what did you do last month? 先月は日本へ行ってきました。先月は日本へ行ってきました。Which means in English like I went to Japan last month. I went to Japan last month. 来月来月来月 is mean next month. The kanji of lai is mean in the future. For example, you can say show light. Show light, that kanji is this kanji lai getsu. The kanji of lai is mean in the future, and when we put with the kanji of the month getsu, so we can say lai next month, lai getsu, which means next one. If you want to say 来月は何をしたいですか？来月は何をしたいですか？ Which means, what are you going to do in the next month? 来月は日本へ行きます。来月は日本へ行きます。Which means, I will go to Japan in next month. 今月今月今月 is mean this month. The kanji of kong is from the kanji of ima. This means now. And when we put the kanji of now with the kanji of getsu, which means getsu is mean the month. So we say now month, so we can say like this month. And we say in Japanese like 今月. 今月 is mean this month. So if you want to create a sentence by using 今月, you can say 今月は仕事の進捗はどうですか? Which means, what is about the progress of the work in this month? Or you can say like 今月からダイエットをします。今月からダイエットをします。Which means, I will do diet from this month. 月末月末月末 is mean end of the month. End of the month. The kanji of getsu is mean month, and the kanji matsu is mean end. So when you say about something end or in the end, you can use matsu. So in this case, we use with the kanji of getsu. Getsu is mean month. So when we put together getsu plus matsu, so we call end of the month. Getsu matsu, end of the month. And another sentence you can say like shumatsu, right? Shu is from the kanji of week. So shumatsu is mean the end of the week. So at the same time, we can use with the kanji of getsu, and we call getsumatsu, which means end of the month. Getsumatsu wa shigoto wa dou desu ka? Which means what is about the work in the end of the month. Getsugaku. Getsugaku. Getsugaku is mean monthly amount or sum of monthly amount. The kanji of getsu is mean the month, and the kanji of gaku. Gaku is mean amount or something actually from money. For example, the kanji of gaku is from the kanji of kingaku, right? Kin is mean money, so we put kingaku is mean money, so we put getsugaku is mean the money in the month. So when we put the kanji of getsu plus the kanji of gaku, so we can say getsumatsu, and it mean monthly amount, or it mean that the money you get in the month or every month you get the money. For example, your income in every month, you can say getsugaku. If you do any business, that means every month you have the income. So in that way, you can say like getsugaku. Getsugaku wa ikura desu ka? Which means how much is your monthly amount of your monthly income. Getsugaku wa dou yatte okane o moraimasu ka? So which means how to get the income for every month. Mangetsu. Mangetsu. Mangetsu is mean full moon. The first kanji man. This man is mean full. And the last kanji is mean getsu. Getsu is mean the moon. So when we put the kanji of meaning full and with the kanji of man, so we can say like mangetsu and mean full moon. For example, we can say manzoku. Manzoku is mean you are happy, or you are only enough to be happy. So in this way, you can say mangetsu is mean full moon. So some night you will go to outside and you will look at the sky and you will see the full moon, and in that time they call mangetsu. Oshogatsu. Oshogatsu. Oshogatsu is mean New Year, especially for the first 3 days of the first month of the year. Or we say first month of the year on January. This means that in Japan they will have the Shogatsu or the New Year in the January from the first, third, and the first, second, and third of the January. So in that way they call Oshogatsu. Oshogatsu is mean New Year in Japan. So when you say about the New Year in Japan, you can say Oshogatsu. Geshu. Geshu. Geshu is mean monthly salary. The first kanji is mean the month, getsu, and the second is mean shu. Shu is mean that the income, right? So this means the income of the month. So when we put the kanji of getsu and the kanji of shu, which means income, so we can say like monthly salary, getsu. That means every month you get the money from your job. Getsu wa ikura desu ka? How much is the monthly salary? 日本では月収がいくらですか? Which means how much is the monthly salary in Japan? 日本の月収は18万です。Which means the monthly salary in Japan is 180,000 yen. 生年月日生年月日生年月日 is mean birthday. In here we have the four kanji. The first kanji is mean say. It's say like say, the pronunciation say. And this kanji mean is from the kanji of umarele. Umarele, which means you born. So, and the second kanji is from the nen. Nen is mean the year. And gatsu or getsu, the kanji of getsu is mean the month. And the last kanji is from the kanji of nichi, is mean day. So when you put the kanji of year, month, and day together, and we put with the kanji of born, which means say. So in the case like this, they call birthday. Seinen kapi is mean your birthday or the date that you was born. Seinen kapi wa itsu desu ka? Which means what is your birthday? Tsuki is mean the month or the moon. So everything you talk about the month or the moon, you say about tsuki. Hitotsuki is mean 1 month. The first kanji is from the kanji ichi, right? And the second is from the kanji of month, tsuki. So we say hitotsuki is mean 1 month. They don't say ichitsuki, right? So the pronunciation of this word is the special. You have to remember. Hitotsuki is not ichitsuki. Maitsuki is mean every month. The first kanji mai is mean every. For example, mainichi, right? Maitsuki. And the second is mean the month. So when we put the kanji of every with the kanji of month, so we can say like maitsuki and mean every month. And this kanji, the kanji of mai can say you can use with the kanji of nichi, which can say mainichi, right? Which means every day. So if you want to say what do you do every month, right? So 毎月何をしていますか? 毎月何をしていますか? Which means what do you do every month? 毎月お仕事をしています。毎月お仕事をしています。Which means I go to work every month. 年月is mean months and year. The first kanji is from the kanji of toshi, which means years, and the second tsuki is from the kanji of months. We can say toshitsuki and means months and years. Tsukihi. The first kanji tsuki is mean month and the second kanji he is mean day or date. So when we put the kanji of month and the kanji of year together, we can say tsuki he and mean time or years or day. What you have to remember is the pronunciation of this word. You don't say like getsu hi or tsuki nichi. You should say, or what you have to remember this pronunciation like tsuki hi, tsuki nami. Tsuki nami is mean every month. The first kanji is mean the kanji of month, and the second kanji is mean many things together. So it means every. So when you put the kanji of tsuki and the kanji of nami, so